The V step. 2 steps forward, 2 steps back, drawing the letter V with your feet. Starting with your right foot, we step forward on a right diagonal. With your left foot, we step to the left diagonal. Your feet should be in line with each other. We then use your right foot, stepping back into our center position, and the left foot back into our center position. 4 individual steps, which is 4 weight changes. Right foot leading, we step out, out on the left, and you bring it back right and back on the left. Making sure you change that weight. Right, left, right, left. With the count, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it again with the count. Right foot leading, right, left, right, left. This step can also be done on your left foot, leading left, right, left, right.